Hello, I'm Kyle Bradshaw, and welcome to our HJC section here at Chaparral Motorsports. Today I'm standing in front of the HJC CS-R3 helmets. This helmet does come in 6 sizes, ranging from extra small to 2 extra large, and it comes in the following colors: silver, black, white, wine, candy red, matte black, Spider-Man Homecoming, Sangaton pink, Sangaton red, Sangaton high vis, Sangaton gray, Tryon orange, Tryon red, Tryon blue, Tryon high vis, Tryon green, Tryon gray, and Tryon pink. That comes in at an entry-level price point of less than $100. The most expensive helmet in this lineup is just $149. So you can go from mild to wild as far as graphics go for a very inexpensive price point. Now this DOT helmet's gonna weigh in at just 3 pounds 2 ounces for the extra small and 3 pounds 10 ounces for the 2 extra large. All right, now that we're up here in the studio, we're gonna do the unboxing and detailed breakdown of this new fair and graphic CS-R3 from HJC. Let's dig in. All right, digging into this box. Now this is one of the more expensive helmets in the CS-R3 line. It's gonna be between $104 and $110. Now you're gonna notice a couple things that you're gonna see here. You're gonna see a very light helmet bag as compared to the more robust helmet bags and some of the more expensive helmets. So here we're looking at the fair and graphic CS-R3. The shell is an advanced polycarbonate composite shell. So basically they've taken several different materials, put them together to give you a high-performing, lightweight shell here on the exterior. This combination of human and computer intervention has allowed HJC to inexpensively create a helmet that has superior quality and excellent value. Now the other most prominent exterior feature is going to be venting. So let's take a look at that here really quick. So here at the very front of the helmet, you're gonna have this quick 2-stage vent. You have open and you have closed. So the upper vent up here is just a small protrusion from the shell of the helmet. Slide your glove back and it's gonna open, slide your glove forward and it's gonna close. Now moving around to the rear of the helmet, you're gonna see 2 large exhaust vents. These are gonna stay open all the time. The fact that these rear vents are always open is gonna allow this helmet to always have just a little bit of airflow inside of it so you don't get a clammy or a musty sensation. Looking at the visor, you're gonna have an anti-fog visor that has a thumb lift over here on the side. It's gonna allow you to easily open and close the shield with your left hand. You're also gonna notice right here, there's a shield lock. If you push this button, the shield is now locked into that down position and can't open while riding. The face shield itself is an HJ09 anti-scratch face shield. It is fog resistant, scratch resistant, and has a hard coating. It's optically correct and is rated to block 95% of harmful UV radiation. Although this shield is fog resistant, fogging can happen if it's cold outside and you've got some hot breath. So if you want to eliminate that from happening, there is a Pinlock replacement shield and Pinlock lens system available for purchase separately. This helmet also features the rapid fire shield replacement system and base plate. To remove the shield, it's as simple as pulling this trigger right here and the shield is released. Now to attach the shield back to the helmet, you simply put the shield in the all the way open position and set the tab in place and you're ready to roll. Now looking at the graphics of this helmet, they are computer animated graphics. There are no lines or bumps. It's all a very smooth finish. They've done a really good job on the outside of this helmet. Now let's get to the inside. What you're gonna notice here is a nice soft foam that's gonna allow this neck roll and cheek pad combo to contour your neck to give you a great fit. Now something to note here, if you go up higher in the HJC line, you're gonna find moisture wicking fabrics that are antimicrobial. If you're somebody who wears a helmet on a daily basis, I'd recommend that you go that direction and spend just a little bit more money so you get those features and benefits. Now before removing the internal liner of this helmet to show you that it is removable and washable, we're gonna take a look at this double D-ring system. This is a very tried and true way of attaching your motorcycle helmet to your head. Now when removing the cheek liner, it's easiest to reach all the way into the helmet as far away as you can get. And start with the furthest away snaps first. There's 1, there's 2, there should be 1 more towards the rear of the helmet. Once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and pull this flange out from in between the EPS liner and the outer shell. Repeat the same steps on the next side. Gonna reach up and grab 1, 2, 3 snaps and pull the cheek pad out. The neck roll back here is where the crown liner is going to attach. So remove those 2 snaps, or undo those 2 snaps first, and then we're going to move all the way up here to where your forehead sits. HJC does a great job at securing their helmet liner right up here at the brow of the eye port. The nice part about that is it eliminates having snaps on the forehead of the helmet, which can cause pressure points. As you see, you have 3 tabs that go ahead and attach this liner into the helmet in between the EPS liner and the outer shell. Looking on the inside of the helmet, you're going to see the year and month sticker. It's going to tell you when this helmet was manufactured. If you have a helmet that's over 5 years old, you need to go ahead and replace that helmet with a new helmet so you can have ultimate protection. So the other thing you're going to see are these red dots on the inside. Those are the female sides of the snaps that hold the cheek pad and the crown liner in place. You're also going to notice the ventilation channels cut directly into the EPS of the liner. That's going to allow these vents to be able to be free-flowing without obstruction. Another convenient and very sought after feature is the built-in speaker pocket. You can see they've created a recess here for the perfect placement of intercom speakers. All right, now that we've shown you the interior of the helmet, let's take a look at what comprises of the parts that touch your head. This here is going to be the crown liner. You're going to notice the 2 snaps that we unsnapped earlier. It's going to be an open cell foam. It's going to have 3 attachment points at the eye port of the helmet, and again, 2 at the back. Now what you're going to find here is the sizing on this particular insert. You can go ahead and choose sizing that's either smaller or larger based upon the centimeter that's inside here. So you can either get a looser fitting or a tighter fitting helmet. Same goes with the cheek pads. If your cheek pads get worn out and you get a little bit of movement or vibration on the helmet, you can come in, take a look at the millimeter here. If you want a thicker cheek pad, you go to a 42 or a 44. And if you want a thinner cheek pad, you go to a 38 or a 36. And there you have it. That's our detailed breakdown of the HJC CS-R3. If you're looking to get into a helmet that's going to protect your noggin at a very valued price point, this helmet has a lot of bells and whistles that you'd find in helmets much more expensive. I'm Kyle Bradshaw, and if you liked what you saw today, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want more helmet information coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.